Yo, what's going on, people? This is the official unboxing video of the SE reflection filter, the Focusrite solid audio interface. So let me give you a little view of the unboxing. You remember this beat? I made this beat on FL Studio before I got the machine. Yeah, let me put the box out. This must be the interface. I'm gonna start with this first. Yes, sir. I went in on this beat. Uh-oh. 6i6 Scarlett, second generation, 6 output US and audio interface by Focusrite. This replaces my Yamaha Steinberg audio interface, UR22s. But out with the old, in with the new, right? Yeah, so let's take a look and see what this look like. Yeah. Overall, it has a better sound from the preamps. It's like a little mini laptop from the top view. Yeah. It's the same size as the other one that I have. Oh. That looks nice. This has all the inputs. My keyboard, speakers. This is for the two mic inputs, I should say. So we'll put that here for now. It looks nice too, and funny enough, it matches the wall. So hey, all right. So that's it for that. You know what? Let's change up the beat real quick. And I can't pause this. Oh, I didn't know that. I thought I could pause that joint. So we're going to open something else I did. A completed record, because most of these beats I didn't complete. So we're going to pull something out. Oh, I wrote movie type beat. That might be something. I don't remember what it sounded like. If it's a beat. Oh, it is. Okay. Something's loaded. Wave station, Nexus. Complete. Contact. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Alright. Yeah, so okay. Of course it comes with the charger. Many inputs for the charger. That's pretty much that. That's the box. If I can show you the box already. On to the main event. Oh, I can hear some stuff on that. I can hear that. That beat could be crazy. Look at this. Taking out the box. So this is the SE Electronic. There we go. This is the SE Electronics Space Specialized Portable Acoustic Control Environment. Portable booth, basically. I could just put the booth right here and just go in. The sound is going to be so much better. Because I don't have any padding or nothing like that, so this will definitely keep the vocals together. And like when I mix it down, it's going to be even more better. So yes, this is what's needed. I've been wanting this for a while. You know, the homie Scholar got one. Shout out to Scholar. So we gonna open this and yes, it's a nice box too. She will show you what it look like on the side. That's nice. Yeah. All right. Here it goes. Wow. It's so delicate. Very light. It has some weight to it. But yeah. Take this off. Show you what it looks like. Yes. Next time you see a video, it'll be put together. This is nice, man. In a circular motion, like this is dope. The way they put together was great. Got the padding, the holes on the outside. That sound is going to be amazing. Yes. So I'm pretty sure this is all that came in it. Let me put this down. Wow. I'm looking forward to this, man. I'm going to put this together in a minute. Oh, but there is another box in here. So let's see what's in here. Oh, there's probably the screws. Yeah. Hook this up to the mic stand. I have to take the mic stand off. What I like about it is, let me turn this off, by the way. What I like about it is you can adjust the mic stand by itself. So if I have a taller person, I could raise, you know, the filter with the stand, basically. I don't have to take anything off. So that's the great thing I like about this. Hassle-free. You know, I'm tall, so I have to raise it up. Somebody coming there shorter, you have to bring it down, and no problem. Most of the time I'm by myself, so I don't really have the patience to be going in and out of the booth, and especially to an unpadded booth, it really makes no sense. So having this will make life so much easier. I could just sit right here, you know, do my thing, record, or go somewhere, you know, in the corner, and at least I'll have the flexibility and the quality, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the unboxing video. Real quick, got the Focusrite and the SE acoustic device. We good to go, man. Keep the sound quality right. I'm looking forward to putting this together. I'm about to install the audio interface, and I'm gonna put together the filter. Next video, you're gonna see them. So stay tuned. And this is the first unboxing of 2017. So I'm happy about that. Last year I had a few of them. The year before I had the other one. But out with the old and with the new, I might as well plug this out. Do like a little comparison, right? Why not, before we leave? Do like a little comparison. This is much bigger, obviously, than the old. I mean, they pretty much have the same features. This just has more ins and outs, ins and outputs, basically. So that's pretty much that. As you can see, the Focusrite towers over the UR22s. So I would recommend the UR22s to anybody that's starting out. You know, it was dope. You know, it was at a decent price too. Um, nothing against the UR22s, but I just want to see what the Focusrite sound like. Focusrite Scarlett 6i6. All right, we out. Peace. Till next time.